What's up, everybody? Back with another fucking video. You know, it's been a fucking fat minute, bro. And I miss this shit so much. It's just that I'll give you guys a deeper explanation later on, you know. But as of right now, I've just been busy with work and shit, some other shit I have going on. But I'll talk to you guys about that some other video, some shit. But yeah, I mean, today we have a little install. It's a little one, it's up at my house and my other house and over there. I'm just at my mom's right now, but we're gonna head that way right now. Hit up with the homie and shit, and you guys can talk to him too about it. You know, see what he's up to and shit. But I'm just glad I'm back on this shit, bro. I'm low-key misses. I had like lots of couple people ask me like, damn, like what happened and shit, like where's the videos and that, like, and it hits me, you know. It obviously hits you when like people still think about you after you were gone for like months and shit. And that's the good part and shit about this, that they still have you in your mind, you know. And like it's dead. It's kind of looking at my fault for everything that's happening to me and shit. But other than that, we're gonna head that way right now and then check up with the homies or whatever, and then start doing this install I have, and then I'll show you guys everything that's been, since I've been gone for a while, I'm gonna show you guys everything that's been going on with Subi. Everything that's been done and all. But that's probably I'm gonna do that in another separate video, you know. But other than that, I'll head that way right now. You wanna see how static my fucking car is, how stiff it is? I'm about to show you guys. This is just two little bumps right here. Right here.
Okay? Okay. Fuck your equipment, bitch. What's up, boy? Back at it again. Nah, I'm cut that part. Now I can't get paid or anything.
Go. We don't have the mic with today. I think, bro, someone stepped on it when I was behind the car. You always sit in the front. I don't know who it was with. I'm gonna do one with.
I don't even have a heart to it.
What do you have there, Tim? Go.
I got a little carbon fiber.
It's not even carbon weight.
I don't know what the fuck it is. What is it?
Open it.
Alright, boy. Got something from import tuning? What is this? You open it, it's yours. Alright, pass it over here to Thomas.
What?
The one behind the madness. Is there? Alright, boys. Disaster shook. Kinda broke off like on the way back home one day. Fucking heavy ass wind. So I was sitting right. It was the wind. Probably me too, but my clips broke off and shit. But she'll be back. Damn, we gonna have 360 in this bitch. I don't know if you guys can tell about that, but. Huh? You get a little scream. Yes, sir.
Let me low enough way. Like 2 inches.
2 inches more.
Say I won't.
Fuck you.
Say I won't.
Nah, that's too low, nigga.
Why you say that?
Cause fuck, they gonna be scraping and scraping.
You heard his finger?
Oh.
Alright, so that was where you coming.
Erase the Hellcat.
What?
Yeah.
The other fucking tape wasn't sticking. So we want to get some good big boy shit, 3M tape. Wait. The other pussy shit they gave us, bro. I don't get why they do that. They could just put an extra, like, what, $5 and put in this one. Each of them was like $12, you know? $12, $13 and shit, but I'm put this on and see if this actually fucking sticks.
Alright, boys, for the first install. Got the first one on. We're gonna do the rear passenger side right now.
Fucking around this whole right.
But, you know, we'll catch you guys
You're big. You're trying to land this hoe right here?
This is easy way. This is easy way.
Easy? Let's see.
Hold on. I don't know why the fuck is that. Black on blackwards, I'm not gonna read it.
You already know. Look at that, guys. You want to see before and after?
Yeah, we're showing the before that.
This is the before results. Alright. This is the after.
I like how it has this way, and then it goes back to the other way. That's what I fuck with
Cool.
that one. Can we get it from far away?